In a world where hopium and common sense collide, starring the CryptoKeeper and BlockchainCrusader. Welcome to Debate Crypto.
Question everything, trust nothing. It's your boy BlockchainCrusader. We got audio this time, baby. Let's go. Welcome back for another episode of NFT Tuesday. Today on Debate Crypto. Let's smash the likes. I know we have some technical difficulties, but we got to figure it out, guys. The pro is behind the desk. There's no problem I can't fix. So, big news, right? If you've been paying attention in the Discord, some things are happening with the Danger Close Alpha NFTs. A few things might be happening with the Secret Souls, but that put aside for now, let's focus on the fact that we are at 1086 minted commodities right now. We are we're like what, 20, we're like 13 NFTs away. 13 NFTs away from the next giveaway, guys. So get ready, get prepared. If you haven't picked up your commodities, there's going to be a 5 ETH competition. Somebody's going to walk away with $25,000, right? $25,000 is where you're pretty much walking out of if you win these 5 ETH and ETH hits $5,000 again. And there's zero doubt in my mind we're going to hit that, maybe even double that. So make sure you get involved with the Danger Close Alpha competition. Get involved to win that 5 ETH. But guys, lots of things have been happening in the NFT space. Trump NFTs, they're coming back down. We're going to be covering that. We're going to be covering Polygon being one of the best cryptos of the year. We're going to be covering NFT Banks making some moves. And we're going to be talking about just the market overall, our project, and everything that's happening. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. Make sure you smash the likes. Am I hiding Keeper? No, Keeper is still traveling. He won't be back till tomorrow. But tomorrow for What If Wednesday, we will have what if, a lot of fill in the blanks here. If you know, you know. So in the meantime, like I said, smash the likes. Let's look at the crypto market as a whole. Let's do a quick little screen share here. You can hear how excited my daughter is every time I go live streaming. It's like she just misses me so much that I just can't walk away. Right. So here we are. We're up 2% today on the total market cap. Bitcoin is up 16.8, 2%. Had a small little, not even a bounce, right? We're just a little bit green from all the red that we've been having. I mean, Cardano is down 17.9% on the week. This 1.2% up on the 24-hour is Fugazi, is nothing, right? So let's not get all excited about 3%. We're not the stock market here. So yeah, Polygon up 3%, but it's down 13% in the week. Polygon's been performing one of the best so far. In the last 2 months, it's only down 4%. The last 3 months is up 13%. And in the last, in the year to date, it is down 68%. But, it's performing pretty well relatively compared to all the rest of the cryptos. So let's jump into the charts here before we get into this news. Guys, smash the likes. I appreciate every single one of you guys that are in here. If you guys are not in Discord, you guys are missing out. Let's jump on over to the the charts. Let's jump on over to the charts, guys. So like if you guys have known, I've shared it with you guys before here. We are going to be exploring Lux Algo here on the channel, right? And we're going to be learning this together as a community. So here on Lux Algo, you can see the premium, indicator. We're still in the red, guys. We're not in the buy zone anytime. We have this flat red trend line that is bearish, right? This keeps telling you strong sell, right? This middle cloud right here, I forget what you call it right now. It's the EQ or the Neo cloud, one of the two clouds. I forgot what name it is, but it's also bearish. This needs to turn blue and flip the other way. We do not have that. We had an expansion phase here, and we're kind of going to a contraction phase maybe for it. So we can definitely going to be seeing a lot more. So you can see that we got this small green buy here, but overall trends are bearish. That is in the long term here on the daily on this indicators. Now let's turn that indicator off and let's turn on the price action concepts. As you can see here, we have an order book up here at the price weekly high of about 18,300, but we've also got one down here We haven't filled this one just yet, and we got a discount rate of about 86% down here at the price monthly low of 15.4. Things are looking very bearish, guys. I mean, we just don't have the volume. The MACD, right? The Lux Algo Premium MACD oscillators down here are bearish. There's the blue line is still down here trying to level off, but overall, really bearish. If we zoom out a little bit, actually, we zoom in to the 4-hour. Let's look what the 4-hour is telling us here, right? So the 4-hour, as you guys can see up here, one of the little things that this indicator does is it gives you what's happening in the 15, 1 hour, 4-hour, and daily, right? The change of character on the daily has changed to bearish. The change of character for the 4-hour has turned bullish, and then the break of structure, which is BOS, on the 1-hour is still bullish, and we just had the 15-minute go bearish to a change of character. So as you can see here, we can jump on in a little bit closer, right? You see this change of character right here. It is literally talking about how this went all the way down here, broke the previous high right here, and now we had a change of character going bullish. That's what this chalk stands for. So in the 1-hour, we have, down here an order book, 14%, 3.1K volume. So, most likely we're going to keep heading downwards. The price weekly low is down at 16.5. We don't see anything very bullish at all, not even in the 1-hour. Let's jump down to the 1-hour. I mean, it's just bearish over bearish. I mean, you can see here on the 1-hour with the premium Lux Algo, you can see how we went from this bullish sentiment here for a short period of time yesterday. And then that wasn't even yesterday. That was actually a few days ago. And we've gone nothing but bearish once again. We have a strong little green here being built up on the hourly, right? Strong green here, little upward momentum. As you guys can see, we came all the way down to 16.4. And since then, we started trending upward. The trend went from red to green, indicating that there was a strong buying trend being formed. And the Neo cloud right here is starting to kind of flip over into the green. So maybe on the hourly, we can build some bullish momentum, but overall things are still pretty negative on the bigger time frames. So make sure do not get excited about this small little bounce right now, guys. Now that's out of the way. Make sure if you're interested in Lux Algo, right? If you want to be learning about Lux Algo as we go with the channel, the link is down below. It helps the channel out. And, it is what it is. We all get to learn it. It's indicators that help you build some trading experience. But that's for another day. Today, we're talking about NFTs. Quick water break, guys. So, here we are. Let's start off with Trump NFTs because everybody wants to talk about Trump NFTs. So, the Trump NFTs. Let me share my screen and let's get right into it. As you guys can see, our good old former president, Donald J. Trump, his collection is down 70%, guys. It's down 70%. The hype is starting to die, right? The floor price of the former U.S. president Polygon-based NFTs have dropped 74%, peaking on Saturday. Guys, that's just normal, right? These trading volumes are not sustainable. The project has done over like 6,000 ETH of trading volume. At some point, it was going to peak. And if people were buying the tops, it's unfortunate. People think that these trends can be sustainable, but they're just not. Does that mean that the NFT collection is failing? No, it does not. But let's jump into the article. All right, the trading volume fell 57% from Sunday to Monday, while the floor price of the NFTs have dropped 74% since the Saturday peak. We all know this is the first, collection since, for Donald Trump, first president ever doing a collection. Overall, let's not even focus on this article because it's really not that important. It's just trying to talk to you about how negative things are that, it's dropped since then. But let me show you the actual collection. All right, let me show you this collection here and let's go over some of the stats. So yes, the collection is down, right? yes, the floor price is back down to 2.1. But if you minted one of these bad boys, you're still up, right? They were minting for $100. They're still at 0.21 ETH. That is a good, return on your investment. So people cannot complain about the floor price coming down. Look how much trading volume, 6,971 ETH in trading volume, my friends. That is massive amount of trading volume in the last couple of days. So they sold literally $4.5 million worth of NFTs in less than 12 hours. In the less than a week, they've made over 6,971 ETH of trading volume. That is amazing. That is still huge. This is normal for NFTs to eventually cool off. The buying pressure comes down, and then all the hype train, people are just jumping in for the flips, start panicking, and they start undercutting themselves and dropping the floor price. Does that mean it's time to jump into Trump NFTs? I'm not here to give you that information. I don't give any financial advice, especially when it comes to NFTs. If you're into the NFT flipping game, good luck. That's not for everybody. Something that you definitely need to do a lot of research on. So make sure you guys are doing your own research when it comes to that. If you're just collecting just because they look cool, then maybe it's time to pick one up. The floor price has come down. Do I still am not picking one up, right? I'm still waiting for the price to drop a lot lower before I pick a few up. I'm gonna pick a few up if I find the right price and the right ones that I'm looking for. And then I'll probably do a giveaway to the community of Danger Close Alpha, give away some Trump NFTs for you guys. But nonetheless, I will not be buying, and I haven't been buying because I knew that this hype was gonna die out and come back down. So all of you guys that minted Trump NFTs, bravo. You're still making money, and that's always a great thing to see. But let's jump on here next to what should I go next? Let's talk about some NFT banks and what the NFT banks are doing. Right. So you must be thinking NFTs and banks. How does that work? Guys, if you haven't smashed the likes, smash the likes. Get involved in the Danger Close Alpha 5 ETH competition. Only place you'll be able to walk away with $25,000 in your portfolio if you win this competition. Anywhere else in the NFT space, I don't think anyone's doing that. Let me just tell you. I don't think anyone is doing that. But I digress. Let's jump into these NFT banks and what these banks are doing right now. So, NFT Bank collaborates with X2Y2 loans to offer NFT pricing. Let me take this out of the way. There's a weird picture that doesn't really tell you anything, just confuses people. But the NFT Bank teams up with X2Y2. It sounds like a droid from Star Wars. But nonetheless, the third largest Ethereum-based NFT market and an emerging NFT loans platform infrastructure. Right, that's very interesting. Pulling out loans on your NFTs. So the infrastructure for NFT financialization has developed over the last 2 years as NFTs as NFTs use has increased. Wow, what a mouthful. NFT backed loans, NFT rentals, and NFT derivatives are currently developments that branch out from the NFT markets, and aggregators serve as a trading platforms for NFTs as collectibles. X2Y2, the third largest marketplace for NFTs in the world, with a trading volume of 950 million, yada yada, introduced their own NFT loans platform in September in accordance with this trend. The individual NFT holders negotiate a loan term with an individual liquidity provider using the peer-to-peer lending platform X2Y2 Loans. The two parties engage in a negotiation over the parameters of the loan, including LTVs, interest rates, and other loan terms based on the value of the NFT. NFT-backed loans help solve this issue, even if NFTs are not the most liquid assets, by providing liquidity even when a holder is unable to sell their NFTs. So I'm not going to keep going any deeper into that, but that just goes to show you how the NFT space is evolving, right? People that are buying NFTs, these NFTs that you buy today, whether they're a Danger Close Alpha NFT, a Seeker Soul NFT, or just Trump NFT, or any other NFT out there that you're buying into right now, right, becomes a high value NFT at some point down the line, and you need liquidity instead of selling, right? Because the minute you sell, not that I'm trying to stop people from selling. If you want to sell your NFTs, go for it. But financially, every time you make a sale, that's a taxable event, right? Instead, what would a financially savvy person do? Right? The macro strategies of the world, what do the, Elon Musks of the world do? They get loans, they take out debt. So they would literally pull out a loan on their high value NFT, making their NFT liquid, getting that capital, reusing it to either reinvest or whatever it is that they're going to do to make that money grow, pay back the loan. They keep their high value asset. They made more money. They reinvested their money. And at the same time, all of that was done without a single taxable event. You grow your portfolio, you grow your assets, and you pay no taxes on the capitals that you get. And you've just run on capital that is being lent out through these loans on your high value assets. That's how people do it in the stock market. That's how people do it in the real estate. I mean, they all the rich, wealthy people pull out loans on their assets to avoid taxable events. So give me a quick break here, some more water. Water break. Unforgettable Name says they airdropped November's secondary sales to everyone in C3 Town. Charlie 3 token. I don't know what you guys are talking about there, but sounds pretty cool. Somebody got some airdrops. That's always awesome. Unforgettable says C3 is a Cardano native token that it's in Oracle. Interesting. I'll be taking a look at that. So let's move on, guys, to the next step here. We're going to be talking about Polygon. Polygon, nonetheless, is, and I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. I kind of do agree with this, right? Decrypt, right? A crypto news platform has said they have deemed Polygon the crypto of the year, right? Crypto project of the year, Polygon. And why? Mainstream brands like Starbucks, Reddit, and Instagram are adopting Polygon, and the Ethereum scaler is building even broader adoption. Excuse me, guys. So, amid a contagion-fueled crypto winter that has sent a chill through VC firms, coin holders, and NFT collections alike, one project above all has made undeniable strides towards onboarding the masses and having the infrastructure to support them. Polygon. And I completely agree with that. Polygon has done great things in this bear market. Our, customer loyalty programs, they're scaling Ethereum. Everybody was worried about after the merge what was going to happen to Polygon, where here is the answer. They're still building, and they are only better, right? And they're bringing on bigger companies to work with them. They're talking metaverse identity, knowledge proof scaling technology. I mean, you say it, and Polygon Matic is doing it. So that being said, I do agree with Polygon possibly being deemed the crypto of the year. Biomex says, Polygon a good place to launch a new project versus ETH in your opinion? Yes, there's nothing wrong with launching on Polygon. The Trump NFTs were on Polygon, right? And they did amazing. There's a cheaper gas, it's just, it all depends on what you want to launch your NFT on. A lot of people do Ethereum, a lot of people do Polygon, you can do Solana, you can do Cardano, VeChain, I think even XRP has XRP, I think has NFTs now. HBAR, I think has NFTs. I forgot who else has NFTs. There's quite a few other chains out there that have NFTs. BNB, Binance Smart Chain, BSC actually has NFTs as well. So that being said, NFTs being built, brands coming on due to Polygon scaling and growing the Ethereum network, right? This is all happening even after the ETH merge. So the fear that Polygon was going to die out after the ETH merge is gone. They are continuously building. Big corporations are jumping in on their platform. I see Polygon having a bright future. I mean, look at the price itself has been holding pretty strong at 80 to 90 cents, even over $1 the last couple of months. Every time there's been a small rally, has jumped over $1 quickly. I'm personally waiting for Polygon to jump down into the 60 to $50 range before I start scooping it up. But that's just me. That's not financial advice. We might never see those levels, but a lot of people believe there's going to be another drop. Right? We talked about it yesterday on Magic Money Monday. Bill Noble. So that being said, that's what I'm looking for. I'm super bullish on Polygon. Polygon, I think, does deserve being the crypto of the year with everything that they've been accomplishing throughout this bear market. So that being said, good for Decrypt. I approve. Crusader approves of this reward for Polygon. Now, back to Danger Close Alpha. We're 13 minutes away from the next giveaway. We have some big stuff coming on, happening here in the next couple of weeks with the project. Some other big collabs with other projects. I can't say who they are. I can't say the people or the projects so far, but we've got some very important meetings coming up this week, tomorrow, and later this week as well when it comes to, actually, I can't say it. If you've been in the Discord, you kind of know what I'm hinting at, but if you haven't been in the Discord, you're going to have to jump in and figure it out. But there's definitely some big important meetings that are happening for the project behind the scenes that could definitely start seeing some let's use the word utility, some utility for the project, and it's going to be very beneficial to all the holders if this deal goes through, and I hope it does, and I don't see why it can't. It's going to be very awesome. Also, anybody that been involved with the Secret Souls, I know that thing's been pretty much on the back burner for a long time, but I've got some leeway. I got some ideas I want to build on the Secret Souls, right? Nothing coming out anytime soon or anything like that, but I've got a few ideas that I'm working on, and I want to incorporate some of that with the Secret Souls and just have a good time and fun over there. Nothing crazy. But guys, I urge you guys to get involved with Danger Close. There's no NFT project out there that I've seen that has the massive amount of real life utility that we are building. It's only going to get bigger. I know things have been slow, but slow and steady wins the race. The things we're trying to do are real life things. It takes time. Lots of meetings with lots of companies and a lot of different things that are happening in the background that you guys don't get to see every single day, which I know is kind of a bummer, right? And you don't really know where things are happening. But that is why we're doing the 5 ETH giveaway. We're trying to give back to the community. We're trying to, encourage you guys to believe in the project of the utility that we're bringing, right? This is not just we're not just here to sell NFTs. We're here to give you real life experiences, real life resources, and access to certain things that you guys might not be able to have access to on a regular day-to-day life, right? If you're really into prepping, if you're really into some of the stuff, some of the things that we're really trying to work on is getting some really big discounts on some really big dollar items for you guys as holders. So that being said, you guys as preppers can use this utility to continuously building your resources however you deem them necessary, and you're getting them at a discounted price because you're part of our community, right? Because you're part of us, not versus paying full retail price if you weren't a holder of Danger Close Alpha. And more of these discounts and information will be coming out here soon. But that being said, guys, I love every single one of you guys. You guys can be anywhere, but you guys are here tonight. Smash the likes. Get excited. Tomorrow is What If Wednesday. Nick is going to be back on the show. We're going to be covering what's been happening in the Bahamas, what he's been up to, what kind of interview and secret information he's got. We're going to be covering all of that tomorrow on What If Wednesday. And then you already know some secret stuff's been happening in the background. We're going to be releasing some of this information slowly, and make sure that we keep minting out and rocking out these commodities. That being said, Biomex says 1100 minted drawing ? Well, let me just tell you guys are getting me hyped right now that you guys are minting these NFTs. That being said, you tell me right now. I want to hear it right now in the chat. Do you guys want to do this right now, or do you guys want to do this tomorrow night on live stream with Keeper as well, without hearing what's happening in the Bahamas? You guys let me know tomorrow night or tonight right now. Let me know in the chat. 1 for tonight, 2 for tomorrow. Drop it in the chat right now, guys. Drop it in the chat right now. I'm waiting. 1 for tonight, 2 for tomorrow night with Keeper on stream. I'm seeing now. Okay, I got 2 nows for now. Let's see. Crypto Billy says 2. Okay, we're 2-1. We're 2-1. Well, 2-2. 2-2. We got 2-2. 2 people saying now, 2 people saying tomorrow. Hey, I see you. I see you, unforgettable name. You just keep pressing 1 to confuse me. Oh, we got 3-2. 3-2. F you, Michael and Billy all vote 2 for tomorrow. Only Biomex and Unforgettable are voting 1. Tate also votes 2. All right. So far, it looks like it's happening tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow with Keeper on stream. Let's go. Let's get excited. We're at 1,100 commodities minted. Guys, somebody's going to take 5 ETH home. Somebody's going to take $25,000. And I cannot be more excited to give this away. I cannot wait to change somebody's life that jumped into our community, supported us, is here right now in our community, building, getting prepared, and is going to be able to add 5 full ETH to their portfolio that can make them life-changing money in the next 2 years, guys. I mean, I am so excited to do this and see who the winner is, right? I know the factions are going to heat up. They're competitive. The hunters, they know what they're doing. The merchants, they're making plans. The engineers, they're working on it. The medics, I got to have a talk with them. But nonetheless, all the factions are fired up and they're getting ready. Somebody is going to take this 5 ETH home, guys. So make sure you guys continue to always question everything, trust nothing, and until next time, hodl like it's hot.